In contemporary discourse, the conceptualization of sport has undergone a significant transformation. No longer viewed simply through the lens of physical exertion, it is increasingly analysed as a sophisticated mechanism for cognitive enhancement and social cohesion. For the modern individual, engaging in a rigorous fitness regime is often less about aesthetic goals and more about fostering the psychological fortitude required to navigate the complexities of a high-pressured professional environment. From a physiological standpoint, the long-term benefits of athletic participation are multifaceted. Beyond the standard improvements to cardiovascular efficiency, consistent exercise is a primary driver of neuroplasticity. Research suggests that aerobic activity stimulates the productions of hormones, which essentially acts as a fertilizer for neurons, improving memory and executive function. Consequently, sport is increasingly prescribed not just for physical ailments, but as a supplementary treatment for managing mental health, providing a natural buffer against the detrimental effects of chronic cortisol elevation. Furthermore, the quantified self movement has revolutionized how we approach training. The proliferation of wearable technology has enabled athletes to monitor their biometric fluctuations with clinical precision. By analysing data points such as VO2 max and heart rate variability, HRV, individuals can now tailor their recovery protocols to ensure they avoid the physiological plateau that often results from stagnant routines. This shift towards evidence-based training allows for a much more nuanced understanding of the body's limits, transforming the average hobbyist into a citizen scientist of their own physiology. On a societal level, sport serves as a powerful medium for cultural diplomacy. Major international competitions offer a unique platform where geopolitical tensions are, at least temporarily, superseded by a shared commitment to human excellence. On a granular level, local sporting initiatives play a pivotal role in social stratification, or rather, in breaking it down. By providing a common ground where individuals from diverse backgrounds can interact as equals. Ultimately, the pursuit of sport represents a fundamental human drive to transcend perceived limitations, seeking a state of flow where physical effort and mental focus become perfectly synchronized. Do you participate in any sports? Do you find many benefits to it? How do you remain disciplined with your training? Tell me in the comments below as an opportunity to practice your English writing skills.